Hi, it's Dr. Josh Bernstein talking to you today about dental implants and some of the new technology that we're using here in our office, specifically 3D printers and computer-guided implant surgery. What we have here is a 3D printed model of someone's remaining 5 teeth, and we're going to be placing an implant where that tooth is missing. So you can take a look at that. Those are his front teeth. And this is where we're going to be placing the implant, where this missing tooth is. And this is also created with a 3D printer. This is a surgical guide that was created after we did some computer planning of this case. So this guide just simply fits over the remaining teeth, and then we have a jig and a template, and this little hole here tells us exactly what angle and how deep we're going to need to drill to place this implant, which will replace this missing tooth. And of course this will be sterilized before we use it in anybody's mouth. So anyway, that's what we're doing here in the office with computer-guided surgery and 3D printing. Thanks for listening. Bye.